Hello, hi, welcome back. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everybody. So today I would like to share with you a very short tutorial on how to make marking for the OSPE paper. The good news is the marking for the OSPE paper is just the same way to make marking for the SEQ1 if you experienced before. However, since the format in making the OSPE paper is quite different from the SEQ1, therefore I need to show you on how to make marking for the OSPE. So let's check it out. First of all, before you do anything, you have to make sure that you have logged yourself into KeLIP account. So once you're already in your KeLIP account like this, alright, you can just go to the menu My Course. Click on this button. So once I'm in, I need to go to the module by which my OSPE paper is located. For example, if let's say my OSPE paper by which I need to give a mark is located in module 13, so click on module 13. Once you're already in module 13, scroll down and go to activity or exam week. So let's say this is a question by which I need to give a grading. So let's say this one, EOS 4 mock examinations OSPE paper. So click on this link. At the left administrations panels, you go to the result menu. Look at the screen right now, there are only 5 questions available. Means that 5 stations available for the mock examinations. In real examinations, there will be 20 stations. So Q1 indicate stations number 1, Q2 indicate stations number 2, Q3 indicate stations number 3, and so forth. Look at the students' score right now. You will see that all of the students score 0. This is because the OSPE formatting supposedly to be automated grading. Since we consider that the student's answer would be varies, so we have to override the mark. Right now, what do I need to do is that let's say my questions is question number 1 or a stations number 1. So I need to override all of the marks in Q1 column. If let's say your questions is a stations number 2, so you need to override the Q2 column. If let's say my questions is a questions in a stations number 3, so I need to override marks in a Q3 column. To override marking, go to any list in this column, and I advise you to go with the sequence so that you won't miss any. Then click on the score. So enlarge the screen a bit so that you can see it easily. If you notice, for the OSPE paper, there will be no graded informations or no answer schemes available for you. This is because I said earlier, the format for OSPE paper is supposedly to be automatic grading. However, if you are lucky enough to be the examiner, you will be informed by the staff in the examinations unit, and you need to go and collect the answer scheme before you mix any marking. Let's move on to the next step. To override the marks, scroll down below here, you will see green box by which it states make comment or override mark. So click on this link. Then you need to copy and paste the questions together with the student's answer in the comment box. To do so, just highlight all of the questions together with the answer and then press Ctrl C to copy and go to the comment box and Ctrl V to paste. To see it easily, you can enlarge the screen by click on this button. Right now, you can make marking by comparing the student's answer with the answer schemes that you collect from the examinate. For example, like this, students answer it correctly, so students should get 2 marks. So I prefer to make it in bold and red in font so that I can count it easily later on. Once you're done, just close this window and then jot down the marks that the student get. For example, like 2 out of 10 marks. Last but not least, don't forget to save. So the student will score 2 marks out of 10, and then right now you can close this window. Right now, if you take a look at this, you will see that the mark is still 0. What you need to do is just go and reload the page. Once you're done make marking, don't forget to select 3 papers which are the lowest, intermediate, and also the highest one. Let's say this is the lowest score that my students get for my stations. So click on this mark. And then if you are using a MacBook, for example, you can click on File and then Export as PDF. And then you write over here EOS 4, OSPE Station 3, lowest, and then click on Save. If you are using a window, don't worry so much because you can just right click and then save the page as. So still the same, EOS 4, OSPE Station 3. No words, just save. Okay, since I already have the info, so you just replace. Alright, and then you can just close the window. And this 3 answer script should be sent to Puan Amalina for year 1 and also Puan Roli for year 2. If you have any problem or inquiries while marking for the OSPE paper, feel free to ask. That's all my tutorial for today. See you again next time. Thanks.